kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making lemon nectar. You know when you have all those used lemons, like let's say you're making lemon sugar on crepes, or you're just making like a lemon tart, and you're like, oh my gosh, there is absolutely no juice left, I must throw them out. Well, do not throw them out, follow this video instead. We keep a container in the freezer, so when we have lemons that we squeezed all the juice out of, we can just throw them in, and then once we have enough, we can make this lemon nectar. So you're gonna want to add some sugar. However many lemons you have by weight, you want to do half that amount of sugar. The way the sugar disappears, even though it seems like magic to me, it pulls out the citrus oils out of the skins by osmosis. If you have kids and they ask, where did the sugar go? Just say, it's magic. The answer is always magic or science, but mostly magic. Leave it till the sugar dissolves. It'll take a couple of days. Just stir it occasionally or when you remember. While you're not doing anything, please like and subscribe. Thank you. As you can see, there's a little bit of juice starting to form. This is lemon nectar, not juice. But it's still too much sugar, so we're going to keep stirring. But make sure you seal it in an airtight container. Otherwise, it will start to evaporate, and we don't want that. The lemon zest flavor is more flavorful than the lemon juice, so this is a better way. It's just a better way to get more juice and more flavorful. So you can have juice and lemon nectar and get the most flavor out of everything. Now we got a little bit impatient here, so as you can see, all the sugar hasn't magically disappeared yet, but it's good enough. So there was still sugar. You can obviously wait for longer, but we were very impatient. By we, I mean my dad. So you're going to want to strain it through a strainer or a cheesecloth, and you're going to squish it out. Just squish out all the juice, because if nectar came out, the lemons may have absorbed it. So you're going to want to push it all the way out. You just go squish, squish, squish. Pour it into a cup and you have some lemon nectar. You can use it with soda water to make a lovely drink, because that's just great. Drizzle on tarts or desserts or cakes, or in cocktails if you're an adult. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.